When you use Apple Intelligence to perform a task on your Mac, a model running on your iDevice first analyzes whether the task can be completed on device. If a larger server-based model is required, Apple Intelligence takes advantage of the private cloud compute to send only data relevant to your request to be processed on Apple Silicon servers. It's worth pointing out that the data sent to and returned by private cloud compute is not stored or made accessible to Apple. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to record Apple Intelligence activity in macOS Sequoia on your Mac. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the System Settings app on your Mac. Now scroll down a bit and choose Privacy and Security. Then select Apple Intelligence Report. Now you will need to authenticate using your Mac's user password or Touch ID. After that, click on the drop-down menu next to Report Duration and then choose 15 minutes or 7 days. Note that the Apple Intelligence Report includes personal data such as your messages and the text that you input in the writing tools. And when you want to export the Apple Intelligence activity, click on the Export Activity option and authenticate it. And finally, you have to choose the preferred location where you want to save the exported file on your Mac. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily record Apple Intelligence activity on your Mac running macOS 15 Sequoia or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.